everyone, it's Miss Landry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a visual schedule. So you'll find a PDF file with a lot of different visuals on our Google Classroom, as well as this template for a schedule. So this schedule is going to be set up for your family, for your routines, and you can modify it in any way that best fits in with your lifestyle and your the time you have to spend doing work and other things. So the schedule is really good because it gives our students an idea of what to expect, what comes next. So I like to set up the schedule as with chunks. So here I've got first thing in the morning, so the schedule. So first we have a visual for eat breakfast, then brush teeth, then it's time for some math work, and then some free time. So with the schedule, again, you're going to want to use the pieces of Velcro on the back, and as soon as the activity is done, you're going to move it over to all done. So once breakfast is done, then we know next is brush teeth. As soon as our brush teeth is done, we're going to peel it off. We're going to move it over to the all done side. Math work, once finished, move it over. And free time, move it over. Once the four things are done, you can remove these for the day. And, while while your child is having some preferred choice time, you can set up their next block of time. So for the next one, let's set up eat lunch, then boom learning, then language activities, and then iPad time. So this really just gives our students an idea of what to expect, what's coming next, so they can visualize in their mind the day that they're going to have. And so you can update this as many times as necessary throughout the day to reflect how you and your family want to go through the day.